Now, ONVO just confirmed something that is bullish, and that is deliveries are just exploding. I mean, ONVO today wrote that there is not enough space for indoor delivery, and therefore outdoor deliveries makes perfect sense during this weather, which simply means that because of the massive deliveries that are taking place indoors, they are now also starting delivering their ONVO L60 outdoors. As seen on the screen, these are the 4 ONVOs which users were taking their deliveries of these cars outside the stores. You know that ONVO deliveries are being conducted, I think, where in the very delivery centers for Nio, and therefore you can imagine ONVO and Nio delivering vehicles at the same place. It gets so stacked, so packed, and I don't think Nio will compromise or lower their premium standard to cater for ONVO, which is why you will see that if there's no enough space inside, ONVO will always be the one to take the deliveries outside, which for investors, this is massive, this is bullish, because it means that delivery centers are packed, stacked, and there is no space, in a way that ONVO is starting to deliver or make their deliveries outside of the delivery centers, which is massive, which is bullish, as it confirms the demand that we are seeing or we are getting from ONVO and Nio, which is bullish in this month of October. I mean, it just video before this one, we were talking about the user who placed this order onto the ONVO L60, an ex-Tesla user, well, placing an ONVO order on Tuesday and is expecting to get his delivery this year. This is just bullish, this is massive. I mean, ONVO, to see ONVO trying to push deliveries like this, I think it is pretty good news, interesting news to us as the investors. When I read this, I was very excited, which is what we discussed in the video before this one. Now, to get to see this also coming from ONVO, it just confirms and validates that ONVO is indeed pushing the deliveries out. It's trying their best to deliver as many vehicles as possible, which is why, because of the capacity that is into the new delivery centers, they are forced, being full, they are forced to start delivering those cars outside, or some of the ONVO L60s outside, which is good, which is massive, because it means that sales are coming in big numbers. This month we can expect some pretty good, decent deliveries coming from those brands. I mean, we are expecting 25,000, and I think based on what we are reading, based on what we are seeing, 25,000 might be an understatement. We might get even much better than that, because what the new user who's buying the Tesla just confirmed, of saying that he placed an order on Tuesday and is expecting to get the delivery of that ONVO this year, it just simply means that the deliveries that we are expecting might be very low from what ONVO will actually deliver on a month to month. I mean, Nio, we know Nio 20,000 is what they will get, and it's what we'll see Nio striving to get, maybe, who knows, before the end of the year, 25,000, which will be so amazing. And with ONVO also coming with its 20,000, I think we will get to see profitability. There is a chance of Nio breaking even in Q4, but we'll see. I don't want to jump the gun, I don't want to comment much on that, but let's see what transpires. But the way things are unfolding, I think you and me better brace ourselves for what's coming right now in Q4, because what we are seeing in the grounds, those that are placing their ONVO orders, those that are in China, it looks like things are looking so bright for Nio. The future looks so bright, and Q4 looks so bright for Nio, and we need to definitely brace ourselves for what's coming. So yeah, man, this is what we are getting to see from ONVO, and I thought I'd give you this quick updates, because this news are massive. To know that ONVO is also delivering outside the delivery centers of Nio their cars, it is something that is just so bullish, so massive, to know that this is taking place indeed. This is what we are seeing onto ONVO sub-brand. I'm not sure if some of the people are collecting their ONVO vehicles in the ONVO stores, but I know delivery centers also, the ONVO and Nio, based on what we heard, though it has not been confirmed, but we are seeing some of the ONVO cars being delivered outside or at the new delivery centers, which is massive, which is bullish. And I would like to see more of this, because the more ONVO delivers is the more we are going to get a good figure come at the end of the month, which will give a boost onto the Nio overall delivery. So I'm happy, I'm excited. I just thought I'd just give you this quick updates. Tell me what you think about this. Yeah, as for me, I'm definitely happy. Blue sky is coming. Just thought I'd give you this quick update. Don't forget to do your own due diligence before you buy Nio for the very first time, because stock price wise, we know that Nio is quite volatile, and therefore it requires you to have done some due diligence so that at least you are comfortable as you are investing onto this stock. Do your own due diligence, it's important, so that you don't get to panic sell because of the volatility we see onto the Nio stock. Otherwise, that's all from me. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Nio, it is the stock that I talk a lot, or that I talk about only onto this channel, because I believe in their fundamentals, in their future prospects, and therefore I've made this channel just to be a Nio channel where all the latest developments, all the latest news, I give them to you as they come. So I'll appreciate if you can just hit the likes button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, as it helps me, or it gives me the motivation to continue giving you the videos as we receive the latest news. Otherwise, God bless you all.